Hey guys! So today we're going to focus on combining like terms. So in order for something to be a like term, it means that it needs to have the same variable. So to make this easy, we're first just going to focus on it with pictures. So my expression says 1 fish plus 1 elephant plus 6 fish plus 4 elephants minus 3 elephants. Now, to combine like terms, I look at the ones that have the same variable, or in this case, the same picture. So I would say 1 fish plus 6 fish. And we know that 1 fish plus 6 more fish would give us a total of 7 fish. Now I need to combine the elephants. So I have 1 elephant plus 4 elephants minus 3 elephants. So 1 elephant plus 4 elephants would give me 5 elephants, minus 3 elephants would give me 2 elephants. So the simplified expression would now be 7 fish plus 2 elephants. That is as simplified as I can make it because the fish and elephants are not the same, so I cannot put them together. Here are some key things for you to remember when combining like terms. Write this down in your notebook. So variables, which are letters, can only be combined with identical variables. Think back to the other problem. We only combined the fish with the other fish and the elephants with the other elephants. Secondly, numbers without variables can only be combined with other numbers that also don't contain variables. Let's focus on some combining like terms with algebra. So I have 1 plus 3x minus 8. I'm going to go ahead and box in my like terms. So 1 is just a number, and negative 8 is just a number, meaning there are no variables attached to them. 3x cannot be combined with anything because nothing else has an x attached to it. So I'm going to say 1 minus 8, or 1 and negative 8, which will give me negative 7, and I'm just going to bring down the plus 3x since I can't combine it with anything else. So my problem is going to be negative 7 plus 3x. That's as simplified as you can make it. The next one I'm going to look at is 1 minus 3x plus 2x minus 9. Let me go ahead and number these. So I'm going to go ahead and box in my like terms. So I'm going to box in 1 with negative 9 because they are both just numbers. Next, I'm going to box in negative 3x and positive 2x because they both have an x attached to them. So I have 1 and negative 9, which is going to give me negative 8. And I have negative 3 and positive 2, which is going to give me negative 1x. Or I can say negative 8 minus x because there's an understood 1 there. Let's look at another one. So I have a minus 10 minus 5a plus 3 minus 2a. Let's go ahead and box in our like terms. So I have a minus 5a minus 2a, and then I have negative 10 and positive 3. So something to take note of if you just have an a or a negative a, there's an understood 1 in front of that variable. So I have 1a and negative 5a, which would give me negative 4a, and negative 4a and negative 2a will give me negative 6a. Now I have negative 10 and positive 3, which would give me negative 7. So my final expression would be negative 6a minus 7. All right, and one more problem to look at. Let's say negative x plus 5 minus 2x plus y minus 7. All right, so let's go ahead and box in our like terms. So I have negative x minus 2x. Remember, there's an understood 1 here, so it's negative 1x. Then I also have positive 5 that can be combined with negative 7. And the y is kind of just by itself. There's nothing else I can combine with it. All right, so I have negative 1x minus 2x. So negative 1 and negative 2 is going to give me negative 3x. I have positive 5 and negative 7, which is going to give me negative 2. And since I can't combine the y with anything else, I just bring it down. So my expression would be negative 3x minus 2 plus y. Click pause, copy these problems into your notebook, work them out, and then click play to see if you get the correct answers. Did you get the correct answers? If not, try to figure out what you did wrong or ask questions for additional help.